Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing great. As for me, I'm doing fine. So today, guys, I want to do a video. I have a video for you. I'm going to cook some black beans, aka jahe, for those who don't know what black beans is. So I'm going to cook jahe, and I'm planning to use a electric pressure cooker for Bosch, the Bosch, this one. So for this, I'm gonna show you how it works. So to start with, I wanna show you how these work. So we have this lid. It has a lid, and this is the important. For the lid, you need to know some things about it. So it has this rubber, the rubber band, this one. Let me call it the rubber band. So for this, when you start using the pressure cooker, you have to make sure that it's well fixed. Yeah, just make sure it's well fixed. So just turn it round to fix it well. So you have to tighten it. As you can see right now, it's very light. So just tighten. Make sure it's very tight. So guys, as you can see, it's now tight. Yeah. So we also have this nozzle here. This one. For this, it's the one that holds the pressure when you start cooking. Whatever you're cooking, this one holds the pressure. So you make sure when you're using it, make sure that you turn it this side, this way, the front side, so that the pressure won't come off. So if you turn it the left this way, it means that you want the pressure to escape. So just avoid it escaping and turn it right, facing in front. So we also have this nozzle here. Yeah, it's a nozzle. So for this one, when you start using the pressure cooker, let's say that ushaeka vitu zako zote hapa. So when the pressure rises, this nozzle here huwa inapanda juu. So you just have to, you hear a clicking sound from the nozzle. So when you hear that clicking sound, huwa inapanda, it rises up, and that inakuonyesha pressure ni mob. So you don't have to open that lid. If you have to open it, make sure that the nozzle iko ndani, because if it's up, inamaanisha there is danger. So you don't have to open the lid because the pressure imejaa hapo. So guys, that's all about the lid. We also have this pot right here. For this one, it has measurements. Yeah, this is a 6-liter pressure cooker. So for this, when you're cooking, let's say anything that you're cooking, you use this one. You just place your ingredients here, whatever you're cooking, just place it here, and then we also have this. Now this is the electric one, the Bosch. I'm using the Bosch. So for this one, it's very easy to use. We have, as you can see, it's labeled So it has a variety of meals that you can cook in here. We have soup. We also have a variety. Or you can cook your cake. You can bake your cake here. You can cook fish, beans, porridge. Yeah, it's you can also cook your rice here. As you can see, it has this let me call it a nozzle. Yeah. So guys, make sure when you cook whatever you're cooking, make sure it doesn't have any water ama haina maji yote huku ndani. As you all know, stima na maji, they're not friends. Yeah, because just make sure it's very dry, and also make sure your pot is also dry. So just wipe it up before you put it in. So guys, let's begin. So you see guys, there's something else you need to know about this pot. So we have this 1/5, and the highest is 4/5. So what you need to know, make sure whatever you're cooking is not below 1/5, and also make sure it's not above 4/5. So guys, let's begin with this. So guys, here are my black beans, benjahe. I had soaked them for some hours. Yeah, so I'm going to put them here. So guys, nishaeka black beans zangu hapa, as you can see here. Yeah. So guys, you see, my water is slightly above. Sijaeka, you don't have to put a lot of water, so just put slightly above whatever you're cooking, because the vapor, the pressure, your vapor it doesn't evaporate. So this water will cook it. Itaivisha hizi black beans. So my pot is dry. Yeah, just make sure your pot is dry. Then I'm gonna place it here. Yeah. So the other thing guys that you need to know, when you want to close your lid, it has it's labeled on how to unlock and to close your lid. So let me just make sure this one is well fixed. It's fixed. So for this one, when you turn it this way, it locks it up, the lid. So if you turn this way, it unlocks, because it has this. If you want to know it's unlocked, you see this thing, this metal here, when it's locked, inarudi ndani. But if you unlock it, you see, this means that it's not locked. So just lock it up, and then hata ukiinua hivi it's very locked, but I would not advise you to use the lid to lift the pressure cooker. Just use these handles, the both handles. Avoid using this one. So guys, my lid is well closed. So I'm gonna put my power on. Yes. Yeah. So guys, you see, if you put your power on, it this means it's on, so it has 4 zeros. That means the power is on. So I'm going to select the button that I'm going to use to cook the black beans. So I'm selecting the beans and tendon button. So just make sure when you press the button, your nozzle here is facing in front. Yeah, don't face it this way. Just make sure it's facing in the front side. Yeah. So I'm going to press the beans and tendon button. So if you press the beans and tendon, here it shows that it has started counting. So this is that for the beans and tendon, it cooks for 35 minutes. So as you can see, it's now starting to count. You see, when it starts counting here, I told you about the valve, the nozzle that goes up. When you hear a clicking sound, know that the pressure is in and that your black beans have started cooking. So guys, as you can see, the beans and tendon light is on, and also the standard. This means that the pressure is a bit low, so that's why it's on standard. Ikienda kwa rich, that means the pressure is on. So high pressure, also the red button, it's on. So let's wait for it to start counting. And guys, I preferred the Bosch electric pressure cooker because it's a good brand, and also a friend of mine recommended it for me, so I preferred buying it. We have varieties of pressure cookers, different brands. So for me, I prefer the Bosch, but it's not that I'm promoting the brand. I only preferred it because that's what I wished for. Yeah, so guys, so far so good. It's a good one. I can't complain. It's doing good. Yeah. So guys, I hope you can hear the pressure. That means you see the black beans are boiling, so that's why the pressure is occupied. If you can hear the sound from the nozzle, and also that you'll also hear the clicking sound of the nozzle. You see, so that means the clicking sound from the nozzle, that means the pressure is so much and you don't have to open the lid. So you just have to wait for the time to clear, that's when you can open, because right now hauwezi fungua hapo, pressure imejaa. So just wait for your time to finish up and then open your lid. You see guys, it has now you can see the P, then 35. That means the countdown has now begun. So it will go down, the time will start going down until it finishes 35 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the countdown is over. So the 35 minutes is over. So you can opt to wait for 10 minutes for the nozzle to drop so that you can open the lid, or either you can just press on your left the nozzle, just push it on your left so that you can release the pressure. So for me, I'll just have to push it. I'm going to use this wooden stick, so I'm just going to press it side. And they are ready. They are very well cooked. Yeah, in only 35 minutes. So using a electric pressure cooker, it's very easy and very fast. Yeah, compared to other means of cooking like jiko. If you are supposed to use a jiko, it takes more than an hour. So using an electric pressure cooker, it's very fast. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like. If you have not liked and not subscribed, kindly subscribe and like, and also comment down below. If you've not understood, kindly let me know and I'll do it again.